In the previous video, we have downloaded the Power Platform pipeline to our environment. Now, this is the second video, so in this video, we will be focusing on configuration of the pipeline. Hi everyone, this is Prashant Chaudhary. I welcome you all to my channel Classic Power App. Without wasting time, let's just go. I'm just taking to my environment where I've installed the Power Platform pipeline. Once the Power Platform pipeline is installed to their environment, just go to the apps, and in the apps you will find one application that is the deployment pipeline configuration. Just play this application. Meanwhile, as in the deployment, we need the environment IDs, our source environment or our destination environment. Source environment from where we want our solutions to move, and the destination environment where we want our solution to get deployed. So for that, in order to get the environment IDs, we need to go to the admin center. You should have the privilege of that first thing. And in the admin center, just go to the environments, and inside the environment, let me open one of my environment. So let's open this one. So from here, you can get the environment ID. Okay. So I have already copied the environment IDs of my source environment and my destination environment. Okay. So now we need to create the pipeline. In order to create the pipeline, you need to first set up the environment in your application. So we need to set up the environment. So we'll go to the environments in the side panel, and here is the place from where we can add. So just add new, the name of the environment. It would be good if you just use the same name as per your environment name. Okay. So my environment name is, let me just open it one more time because I have already copied the IDs to my place. So here from I can copy my ID, my environment ID, and environment name I can get it from here. Okay, control copy and name control V. Owner is me only. Environment type. So what is type of environment? So whether it's the development environment or the target environment. Target environment means where you want your application to move as a managed solution. So this is the environment where my application is developed. So it would be my development environment. And here you can see it's a validation status. Right now it is all pending. Just save this. Once it gets saved, give it some time and then do the refresh. Once you get this success here, it means your environment has been settled. Now go again to the home screen of the environment and add your destination, your target environment. Okay, so my target environment name is this one. I copy this from here, paste it this side, and I need the ID. ID I have already written it somewhere. Yes, environment ID, and the type is my, now it is my of type target environment. Now again do the save and then refresh. Okay, so I got the success. So now I can see it's completed. My environments are added properly. Now I go to the pipelines. Here I can create my pipelines. So we'll create the one pipeline new. Let's give it a pipeline name. So let's say pipeline one. Pipeline one. You can use any other name that suits more to you, or any type of something that more has more meaningful. But in for the just for the testing purpose, I'm just using this name, pipeline one. Description would be, let's say, this is the description. This I'm creating for testing purpose. Okay. Then you need to first save this. Once you get save, for this pipeline, you can see linked development environment. In this table, you need to add the development environments. Okay, so as I have already added the development environment of mine, so I can simply go to here and do the add existing. Okay, so here I can see this one was my development environment. Remember, like when I added this, and this add this from this place. So this one has now added. Here is my deployment stages. Okay, so for the deployment stage, I go from this side and then I add the deployment stages. Stages is in how many stages, like multiple stages can be used to do the multiple solution deployments. Okay, so let's say I will create one stage for this. Let's say stage one, deployment, deployment stage one deployment. Okay, description is this is the stage, previous deployment stage. If there is already existing some deployment stages that you want it to be added with this pipeline, but for now we don't have anything, so I ignore this. And the target environment you can select, but I'm just leaving this as it is. Target deployment environment ID, I can use this. Yes, in which environment you want that pipeline to shift the content. So I want it to shift into my production environment. So just go select my environment and then save and close. I can see now I got this stages here. Okay, so that is all in this video. Like here we are just focusing on the setting up of the pipeline, setting up of environment. You can add multiple environment development type, multiple production type environment, and one pipeline can be used to do the multiple deployment of for the multiple solutions. Okay, so yeah, in this video I'm just focusing only on that. Next video I will be focusing how we can automate the deployment. Okay, so thanks everyone, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned. You got to know like where we are using the pipeline and where this stages will be used. Okay, so thank you everyone, thanks for watching.